what do you think of the power here? Yeah, go ahead and floor it. Yep, that's it. That's all she's got. 550 horsepower now down to 5.
You ready for another bump?
Okay.
Oh, I felt that. To be honest, I never seen a car with this many oil leaks. This airbag is like collapsed. It's like vacuum pretty much.
Oh my God.
Okay, so today we're gonna try to work on this ugly thing. It is ugly. It's ugly in and out. It's a 13 X6M. I don't know what were they thinking when they designed this one, but they weren't apparently, because it's ugly. It's got issues. Hopefully we can solve them pretty easy. It has a bad misfire, terrible oil leak, suspension is down, and one thing that we just previously filmed last week on this with Tyler, I just realized that this engine is being replaced. It has like a salvage number in there from a salvage yard. They did a piss poor job, very, very like cheap. So we're gonna try to at least address as much as we can, try to fix this. The first thing that I noticed is the PCV valves, both sides, they're pretty much gone, broken. Somebody used coolant hose because yeah, they were cheap. So we're gonna fix that first, make sure the spark plugs they're not worn out, and then see if we can address some aesthetic issues too. And obviously figure out the oil leak. But yep, let's dive in it. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck. Fucking idiots. Woosah. Okay, so obviously there is a massive oil leak on this ugly thing, and I just figured it out. So long story short, the turbos have to come out. There is a flange under the turbos that needs to be replaced. Obviously, either they didn't change the O-rings on it or something, but that's a very, very common failing point on these engines, and that needs to be addressed. Should I call Tyler? Should not. I mean, what's he gonna say? Fix it. So yeah, that's, dang it.
Ninja.
Hey, you're not sleeping, are you? I have to pull the turbos out because there is a massive oil leak underneath.
Okay.
Just got done talking to Tyler, and he obviously wants it fixed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the turbos out today, and he's gonna stop by here and see what all this is all about. Wish me luck. Oh, Tyler always bites junk. Wrong screws, both of them. Oh, where is the O-ring that goes in here? What's wrong with these people, man? There's so many missing screws, man. It's unbelievable. Oh, Tyler. No screws for this. What's going on here? And they just slapped this one together. This one was held by half a screw that holds your airbox in place. Holy sh! There's so much oil underneath, man. Ah, missing screws, obviously. We probably should be able to fix this one and make it run so much better. So this is supposed to be here, they bent it backwards. Wow. Nice, nice. Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just talking to myself. Well, to get this one where it needs to be, it's not going to happen in one video. It's going to take more than one. So, but this is the salvage yard number I was talking about. I could sit here and complain all day long, or just have at it and get it done. I choose to get it done. And whoever played with it has no business working in cars at all. Let's go up. We need to drop the exhaust out. So right now I'm about to drop the exhaust so we can take the catalytic converters out. Wonder how many cans of brake cleaner this one is going to take. Okay. They're still hot. Really, really hot. Oh, look at that. Seriously? Wow. Look at that. No wonder why it sounds like a tractor. Both oxygen sensors are like hentai. They're just there. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. I might have to go back up. I have to go back up. So I'm gonna give it one more try. And if this one doesn't come out, then to be continued tomorrow. Because we're gonna have to have two people to do that. Okay, take two. It's too hot. Yeah, it's way too hot. So it's the end of the day, time to go home. I'm exhausted. We did not anticipate pulling the turbos out, but I'm glad Tyler wants to go forward and fix them. So this is the end for today. Stay tuned for the next video, which should be pretty interesting to see the outcome. I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good, really fast, really smooth. Just because there is gaskets missing, there is screws missing, so it should be much tighter, much nicer and neater. So I'm very confident that this engine should run pretty smooth once I'm done with it. So we'll see.